Augmented reality uses technology to create a new viewing experience for art. Through the use of applications, what a user is viewing in real life can be modified to create their own art. Designs or images can overlay to create art. Augmented reality is an uprising technology innovation that is gradually making its way into many technology industries. Augmented reality is projected to grow exponentially and be an economic driver for not only the tech industry but also art. There are many contributions of AR technologies such as computer vision, mapping, localization, and depth tracking technology. This allows platforms to analyze and send specific data. To use augmented reality, users will download a mobile app to their cellular device. These apps are designed to scan your surroundings and recognize art you are viewing. The users can then add details and create on top of what they are already seeing in real life. A great example of this would be the app ArtVive. ArtVive works with museums to allow users this interactive feature. They can create new work through their smartphones while adding a digital layer. There are various advantages to augmented reality. AR apps will enable viewers to experience art pieces from the comfort of their home or on the go with the use of their preferred device. AR experiences are designed to be intuitive. That enables the audience to share their experiences with others. With the use of AR apps, artists can continue to make modifications, adding or removing features while the artwork is accessible at all times. The underlying advantage is that viewers can enjoy an immersive art experience as the real and virtual blend in seamlessly. The National Museum of Natural History in Paris launched an augmented reality experience, Revive or To Live Again, letting visitors come face to face with digital animals which in the real world are now extinct. The use of AR technologies can have constructive results, or it can be a distraction too. Having visitors absorbed in the world on their phone and being in their own bubble are opposite to what artists want to achieve. Younger generations are likely to take the technological installations in their stride. However, older people could potentially struggle or feel left out. Museums have long dealt with unauthorized augmentations of their exhibitions, but technology has opened up new possibilities for activists eager to have a part in the museum-going experience. A group of renegade artists co-opted the Jackson Pollock Gallery at MoMA, turning it into their personal augmented reality playground. One artist framed a painting in an interactive illustration of a smartphone running Instagram, allowing viewers to heart the work over and over again. The cost to develop AR ranges from free up to $10,000. It depends on how complex you want it. For example, I can make an AR filter on Instagram for free, but if I want a team to come up with a custom formula with custom features, the cost goes up because you have to add up what you want plus the timeline you want it done plus how much the team's hourly rate is, though it is significantly cheaper than VR because you don't have to buy all of the VR's equipment. You just need a smartphone or tablet. The future is ripe for augmented reality in art. It is allowing artists to expand the way they want people to see their art. AR will also continue to grow in other fields as well, like the gaming industry, healthcare, and retail. Overall, augmented reality has the potential to contribute new and exciting innovations to the tech and art worlds. By implementing virtual objects into a person's real-world experience, augmented reality improves, enhances, and expands real life.